I originally built this bike to be a slow cruiser. But as you can see, that's not how I've been riding it.
Oh.
And it turns out, that's not what this bike wants to be either. When I got a hold of this frame, the plan was to build a slow cruiser. Something to ride through the village or down to the pub. Part of that idea came from imagination, but it was also shaped by some real limitations. This bike was originally designed around a triple up front and a small range 7-speed in the rear. I knew I wanted to put a single chainring up front, which turned the whole thing into a 1x7. I threw on some slick tires, and just like that, I had my pub bike. And to be honest, the bike is fine this way. It works well, it rides well. The problem is me. I can't help myself. I always seem to end up on rough bridleway, a bit of single track, or grinding up some nasty hill. This bike wants to be something else, and to get it there, I need to make some changes. So let's get to the kitchen and see what we can do about that. Hey everyone, welcome back to Village Bike Kitchen. Thanks for tuning in. In a previous video, I already started changing this bike by throwing on some more aggressive mountain bike tires, and that's helped quite a bit. But it's really highlighted the need for even more changes. So today, I've got a bunch of parts ready to throw on this bike that will hopefully help me on the rougher terrain and help me get up those tough hills. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is just get the cassette onto the wheel, and that should be fairly straightforward. We'll see. So this cassette really is the centerpiece of the upgrade. It's gonna take me from a 7-speed bike all the way up to a 10-speed bike. So we got a fresh tube of grease, so let's use that. And if this works out, I should have a really nice, easy climbing gear, which is what I lack right now. I don't think I need a spacer for this hub, but I'm about to find out. Next thing I want to do is just drop this wheel, put in the other wheel and make sure the spacing's right before we go any further. I don't want to rip off the derailleur, the chain, everything, only to find out the wheel's not even going to work. So let's do that. Sometimes the thing about bikes though is you can't just make one easy upgrade. To support this cassette, I need a new wheel and a bunch of other parts to make it compatible. Alright, let's swap the tire onto the new wheel. The hub on the old wheel was only big enough to hold 7 gears, but this wheel can hold 10, which is why we have to switch everything over. Alright, let's get this chain off. This old chain's the wrong size now that we have a bigger rear cog, so we need to replace it. Next thing is, let's take off the derailleur. We have to replace this derailleur because it's only for 8 gears. The new one can accommodate 10. And I have to replace the shifter to make sure that's compatible. I am going to miss the friction shifting. I really enjoy that. That's better. Chain. I just need one link removed. Well, we're all set. I'm going to clean it up really quickly, then I'm going to take it outside, get a good look at it, and go find a hill to test it on. I'll see you out there. Couldn't ask for better conditions for a nice little test ride, and lucky for me, there's a hill, a very large one, right across the street on this bridleway. It's just a short ride to get there. Here I am at the top. This is the fun part, bombing down it. And there it is. Yo! So going up this hill now will be the moment of truth. Were my upgrades effective?
A little easy gear here works out nicely. It works.
Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. This is exactly what I hoped for when I started this project, was to make this bike a little more capable for the way that I ride the bike. And that's exactly what I got today. Now it's all set up for some future videos that we should be able to get on here soon. Some more retro rides, and I maybe will be able to keep up with my buddies. We'll see. Thanks for watching. If you haven't liked the channel yet, subscribed, please do. It really helps. And I will see you next time. Thanks, everybody.